All right, time to take a look at RJ45 pass-through connectors. So this is a 100 pack, so we got a ton of them in here. And we can see that they are fairly good looking connectors. They feel like they're made out of nice pliable plastic, so they're not going to be brittle, they're not going to break very easily. And I like that they're fairly easy to see through. Now if we look at the side, we can see that those have 3 forks that are going to bite into the wire, and they all appear to be gold plated. So this is going to be a very nice, solid connection. The most important thing is that this is pass-through. So you can kind of see that slot that's cut out through there. So that's going to allow us to push those wires all the way through. So on old style connectors, you had to take the wire, you had to cut it to the exact length just so it would fit in there perfectly while still being able to get some of the insulation and then crimp it down. With this one, you're just going to be able to push the wires all the way through. Doesn't matter how long they are, as long as they're in the right spot. When you crimp it down, it'll cut off the rest of the wire and you don't have to worry about it. So this is going to save you a ton of time, and it's just going to make it a lot easier. So I'm just going to cut off plenty on here so I know I got enough to work with. Separate out the wires. We just got to make sure we got the colors set up right. So it's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. We got a nice long piece of wire there. And then I'm just going to cut this off just to get those bends off. And we'll drop this guy in. And that's one of the cool things about it too, because now we can actually look at the colors on the other side to make sure that they are in the correct order. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And we've got to use a pass-through crimper. And the way that you can tell is because it's going to have this razor on the other side. So that's going to cut off the excess. And we just give it a squeeze. See, those wires just kind of fell off. There might be a couple of stragglers, but they should just fall off. But yeah, that's it. This is a very nice, very easy, very convenient connector to use.